Hello YouTubers and fellow radio hams. This is just a quick video walkthrough of a recent project that I've undertaken here. This video is specially dedicated to Michael KK4 IOH. This is the Motorola Eurobase repeater box thing that I've been working on. I bought this off eBay. It came with two gm350s. They're probably equivalent to a Mmdvm. I had these two radios kicking around and they were looking for something to do, so I thought I'd fit them in here. These are the gm350s. I'm sorry there's a light there, it's probably messing the camera up a bit, but this case, when it arrived, there is a front that goes on here. I've just taken it off for ease of access for the minute. There's a rick goes in there, the repeater controller, and then you would have a filter that perhaps goes on the bottom here. It was absolutely caked with this like black dust, like it was almost like toner, photocopier toner, just got everywhere, and took me a couple of goes, and even now it looks clean, but I still think there's some dust in there. But I took it all apart, took all these bits, took all this out, took the power supply out here, and even took the power supply apart, cleaned all that out inside. So this is currently rigged up as my Mmdvm repeater. These are the Mmdvm boards that I've been making up. These are based on the SP8 NTH design. It's my sort of first attempt at some surface mount soldering. This is just a filter to filter the baseband audio signal from the discriminator, and then feed it into an Arduino microcontroller. I'm just trying to see if I can find one to hand. It's the Arduino Duo. It looks almost identical to this board here. This is a Mega, not quite the same chip, but that basically plugs on the top there, and your audio cables from the radio plug into there, and that will turn the receiver and the transmitter. Here's a little wiring harness I made up here, and that just plugs on the top of the filter. There's a little bit of work left to do on this. This fan here is the bearings are shot on it, and I just had through the post just now. I'm not even sure I've put that. Oh, here it is. Another fan here, which I'm going to swap these out. And there's a little temperature sensor module here, one of these little Chinese modules. You just set the temperature and then set the hysteresis over here. And there's just on the bottom here is a little thermocouple just held in place with some blue tack, and that will then switch the fan on and off. There is actually a 100 ohm resistor which I've got sitting across here, so the fan just ticks over, and when it gets, I think it's 35 degrees centigrade, it will switch there's a relay contact, and then the fan will go to full speed. But I'll see with this new fan whether the slow-mo standby mode is actually needed. It's just this fan makes a racket, sort of vibrating, horrible noises and stuff. So yeah, I need to give the top a bit more of a clean. There's some kind of staining on it, but hopefully a few more goes with the spray foam cleaner and it should come up nice and clean. These cables need replacing. This is RG223, but it doesn't feel right. It's almost, I don't know what's wrong with it. This is RG58, and I'm going to replace this with some RG223 and remake these connectors here. I may well put the duplexer in the bottom here and just have a single connection coming out of here. But that's all work to do. So there you go, a quick walkthrough of the Motorola Eurobase box, cabinet, enclosure, whatever you want to call it. It's nothing exciting really, but it does look nice, and I've been after one of these for a while, so I'm very happy with it.